Hey, what is up guys, Vicar is here with a new video. If you want to read and make money online in 2019, make sure to watch the video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so you can go out and start making money just by reading scripts, okay? This is for broke beginners, this is for people that doesn't have any skills at all. This doesn't need any investment also, okay? So there are a lot of authors out there that need an audio version for their books, so they already have the book and they need to pay someone to do the voiceover, and that's gonna be you, my friend, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to show you how it works and what you need to do in order to get started. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. But just before we get started, just make sure to take a look at my channel. This is my channel. I'm making videos showing you different ways and different methods to start making money online, to skip that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want. And also make sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about a website that is called ACX. This is how it looks like. If you want to go to the website, you just type in www.acx.com and you can go directly to the website, or I'm just going to put the link for the website in the description box so you won't waste your time. So in this website we get to take offers about voiceovers for people that have ebooks and willing to make a new audio version or a audiobook, okay, for an ebook, so they can list them on ebook stores. And you know why they are willing to pay you good money, my friend? That's because you only make that audiobook one time and you sell it unlimited times. And this is what we are going to do in this website. We are going to get paid to read, and I'm going to break down how much we can get paid in all this stuff, okay? So this is for if you have made the book and you want to narrate it yourself. But basically, people are just gonna hire others to do this because they don't have the time, okay? They are really busy writing books. They don't have the time to sit down and record their own voiceover. And here it comes your rule, okay? And this is where you're gonna make some money. I'm going to show you a little bit about ACX and how much you will get paid, because there are a couple of different payments, okay? And I'm going to show you this right now. So you just click on about ACX and click on what is ACX, okay? You will be directed to this web page, and here you can see all the informations you need. If you have any question, you can find the answer here, okay? There are a couple different payment methods with this website, including royalty share, and this is for someone who wants to pay for production, so you can see right, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how it works. So we are going to come over to the site, okay? Come up here, let me show you to the site, okay? And just click on how it works. Once you click on how it works, you will be directed to this web page, okay? And come down to the narrator, because that is what we are gonna narrate. So start your audiobook career, choose how you get paid for your narration work. You can choose a variety of payment methods like per hour rate, paid upon successful completion of the audiobook, of course, and you can share the royalties from the sales of the book, okay? So basically, once you set up your account, you need to do an audio sample, so they find the kind of test how fluent you are with words, because as you know, for audiobooks you need to be quite fluid at speaking and have a calm voice. So I just want to show you how it works, okay? You can take an unlimited number of sample in your profile in different genres and style, because not all ebooks need the same voiceover style. You can choose how you want to get paid. You just put your edition, and so unlike other websites where you make a profile and leave the sample in there one time, for this particular website you will have to apply for any job opportunity so that other can hear your tone and voice and decide if you are a good fit for the book or the ebook or not. So once you get accepted, you accept the offer and start recording. What you want to do is to come up to the search right here, okay? Once you click on search and click on titles accepting auditions, and you will be directed to this web, and here where you find jobs, okay? So once we're on the site, once we have signed up, we want to come over to the titles accepting auditions, and this is where all the other put their books that need an audio version, so you can choose any one of those books. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of opportunities out there. You can see like 2,344 titles, which means that this is 2,344 opportunities. Okay, but it's not actually 2,344 opportunities, because some of them are just for females, some of them are just for boys. But if you are fluent in English and your voice sounds alright and you have a good microphone, then you're good to go. I'm going to show you the process how to do it. Okay, so we'll just press on this one, for example, intuitive tarot reading. Okay, this will give you a detailed description of what the narrator need to do. Okay, you can see here the genre is religion, is spirituality. Okay, you can see the language is English, the gender is for female, the character age is just young adult, the accent not specified, this is good, the vocal style not specified. So this is actually just for female. If you're a male, this is not for you. This is why I told you it's not 2,344 opportunities. You just have to filter, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, you just click on here and go back. Okay, guys, so now you know that you have to take a look at the requirements before you go in and audition. So you make sure you take off every single one of them. So if you look at them and you know maybe you don't fit for it, okay, maybe it's not for you, do not bother auditioning, because that author needs these specific things for his audiobook. Okay, but let's just say we did fit all these roles. Okay, we can come up here. So this is the audition tab. You just click on it and download the audition script. So here you can see how to download the audition script. For me, I'm not logging into the website, but once you log into the website, the sign up process is very easy. You can see here the possibility on how to download the script. So what this means is that they will give you a little bit of the text to read, and all you have to do is to perform your best. So it determines whether or not you get the role. So you really want to put in the effort, maybe take some tries at it, make sure you are in a quiet room, talk clearly. If it say you have to be engaging, then you really have to respect that rule, because if you are speaking fast and not understanding what you're saying, probably you won't get the job. And like I showed you, there are a lot of opportunities to choose from, but how can you find the one that fits you? And like I showed you, there are a lot of opportunities to choose from, but how can you find the one that fits you? Is it just by taking a look at each and every single one of them? No. You can use the filter you're seeing here to find what fits for you. Okay, you can filter by language, you can filter by accent, vocal style, and so on. And there is another thing that you have to focus on: the audio quality, guys. If you have a good headphones, you can use the microphone included in your headphones, okay? Or an external microphone. And do not worry if you do not have a professional microphone, because you can use just some free softwares like Audacity or Voicemeeter to increase the sound quality, okay? I will leave the links and for some videos showing you exactly how to use one of those softwares to increase the quality of your voiceover, okay? But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. And let me know in the comment section how much money you have made so far online, okay? Because once you're watching this video, that means you want to make money online.